welcome to the junkyard. This is Michael's Funko Pop corner. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm not going in any kind of order from my last two videos, so we are going to be today opening up, yes, the Black Canary. As by now you know, I have the White Canary as well, so I had to get the sister. So this one actually was made in China. So oh, there we go. And we got her out. And there she is, Black Canary. Like the detail, the older canary, see, but not the first Black Canary. Okay, let's show some close-ups. Okay, that was the close-up of the Black Canary. I am still waiting on my turntable to get through the mail, so yeah. I've had her for now over a week. And I can't stand them in the boxes anymore. So anything you want to say, Black Canary? Well, she's right there. So until next time, everybody, junkyard's closed. Peace!
Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, follow us on Twitter, and do anything you can do to help the junkyard.